Every spring, the Chinese city of Guangzhou transforms into the technological heart of the world, and the year 2025 was no exception. Canton Fair 2025, the largest import and export fair in Asia, this time went far beyond a simple trade platform. It became a stage for the future, where robots, artificial intelligence, and engineering brilliance came together in a grand spectacle called China's New Technological Era. Loudspeakers in the enormous pavilions echoed greetings in dozens of languages, screens flickered with demonstrations of autonomous systems, and crowds of visitors watched in awe as machines became smarter, sleeker, and more human-like. The exhibition brought together more than 31,000 companies from around the world, turning the pavilions into a bustling hive of ideas, deals, and international collaboration. More than 200,000 buyers from 215 countries filled the halls and corridors of the complex, from representatives of Walmart and Carrefour to startup founders from India and Egypt, all came to witness the technological breakthrough firsthand. Among these industry giants stood a new hero of the fair, the service robot. For the first time in the history of the Canton Fair, an entire pavilion was dedicated solely to them, and it was a true triumph of Chinese robotics. Where once kitchenware and building materials were displayed, humanoid robots from Unitree Robotics and Guangzhou Ligong now marched. They moved smoothly, confidently, interacted deftly with visitors, and one of them even greeted the audience with a wave and a smile, in which, it seemed, a nascent form of intelligence gleamed. Nearby, quadrupedal mechanical creatures from Deep Robotics amazed the public with their balance, climbing stairs like living beings. Their agility was astounding. In a dance of servos and sensors, they outperformed even household pets in dexterity. Not far off, robotic dogs and cats from Shenzhen Elephant Robotics responded to touch, played games, followed children, bringing joy to the elderly and sheer delight to international guests. Representatives from Russia, Saudi Arabia, and Brazil were especially enthusiastic. Companies from these countries signed initial contracts right at the fair. The hearts of visitors were also deeply touched by companion robots from Guangzhou Inbot Company. Small, friendly, with screen eyes and built-in educational modules, they told stories, taught children foreign languages, and responded to emotions. German delegates, after watching the demonstration, immediately reserved dozens of units for primary schools in Bavaria. Nearby, barista robots skillfully brewed coffee without spilling a drop, while logistics platforms from Canton Robotics automatically processed orders and delivered packages across pre-built 3D maps, even outpacing humans in speed. This exhibition marked a turning point in another way. It redefined priorities. Where once the leading players were the United States and Europe, now the spotlight had shifted. In Guangzhou, it was representatives from the United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, India, Egypt, and Nigeria who dominated. China's new technological path not only impressed, it convinced. The country was no longer catching up, it was leading. Amid global instability and technological sanctions, China confidently built bridges with those ready to move into the future together. At the recently held 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, among numerous innovations and technological breakthroughs, special attention was drawn to the latest humanoid robot Iron from the company Xpengs. This robot not only became a symbol of Xpengs innovation, but also showcased the future of human-machine interaction. Iron is a humanoid robot with a height of 178 centimeters and a weight of 70 kilograms, developed by Xpeng with the goal of integration into various areas of life. It is equipped with 62 active degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex movements, including walking, gesturing, and interacting with its environment. The robot uses the Eagle Eye vision system and deep learning algorithms, which provide it with autonomy and adaptability in different conditions. At the auto show, Iron made its debut as a robot model, accompanying Xpeng CEO He Xiaopeng and demonstrating the company's capabilities in robotics and artificial intelligence. The robot greeted visitors, performed gestures, and even took part in showcasing Xpeng's new car models, including the P7 Plus and the X9. Iron has already begun trials on Xpeng's production lines, where it assists in assembling automotive components. The company plans to scale up the use of robots in its factories, as well as in other sectors such as retail and customer service. Xpeng's goal is to reach mass production of humanoid robots by the year 2026. The Chinese robot Astrobot S1 continues to improve rapidly. Recently, engineers at Astrobot demonstrated its new capabilities, including virtual reality control and an updated duo-core architecture. These enhancements expand the S1's potential as a versatile assistant for both household and industrial use. During the demonstration, Astrobot S1 showcased its ability for VR teleoperation, where an operator in virtual reality can control the robot's movements in real time. This enables S1 to be used as a remote assistant for tasks requiring precision and care. In addition to this, Astrobot S1 received an upgraded duo-core architecture, which combines two processing cores. One is responsible for high-level action planning, while the other handles precise motion control. One of its key new capabilities is automatic object sorting. The robot confidently identifies items of different shapes, colors, and purposes, carefully moves them, and places them into appropriate containers. The company Catroan has unveiled a futuristic next-generation autonomous mobility concept called Catroan Autonomous Mobility Vision. This is a unique urban transport system based on the modular Catroan Skate platform, an electric autonomous cart capable of moving in any direction thanks to the innovative Goodyear Eagle 360 spherical wheels. Interchangeable modules or pods are placed on top of this platform, each designed for different purposes, from comfortable passenger transport to mobile cafes and spa salons. The maximum speed is 25 km per hour, which is well suited for a safe and comfortable urban environment. All pods share one thing in common: they require no driver and operate fully autonomously, offering a new approach to urban mobility, sustainable, quiet, and adaptable. An engineer from the YouTube channel Koshiro Robot Creator has developed an unusual machine called the Ball Balancing Robot, an autonomous platform capable of balancing a ball on its surface with high precision and dynamic stability. The robot is a flat platform equipped with 3 servo motors that control its tilt in different directions. This allows it to move the ball along a specified trajectory while keeping it balanced. The control system is based on an inverse kinematics algorithm that accurately calculates tilt angles to move the ball to a desired location. A proportional integral derivative controller is used for stabilization, providing smooth and precise adjustments to the ball's position. Additionally, the robot is equipped with a camera and a computer vision system, enabling it to track the ball's position in real time. At the beginning of the year, the company SwitchBot introduced a revolutionary home assistant, the K20 Plus Pro, which became a real sensation among smart devices. This compact robot equipped with the modular Fusion platform is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, such as cleaning, item delivery, transporting loads of up to 8 kilograms, including food, drinks, or other objects, as well as home security and air purification. The robot is also equipped with a D2F LiDAR navigation system, ensuring precise movement throughout the home, and supports control through voice assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. SwitchBot plans to release the K20 Plus Pro in the second half of the year 2025 in various configurations, including versions with additional modules. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.